Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to send larger files on WhatsApp. As you know, minimum you can send 30 seconds to 1 minute on a WhatsApp, but in this video I'm going to share you how you can share more videos, more MBs videos, larger files in your WhatsApp account. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to select the video from your gallery that you want to share or send, or any files whatever you want to share. So this is a video, you can see it's a 2-minute larger video. So as you can see, this is larger video, so I'm going to show you by using this video how I send this video to a WhatsApp account. So first of all, you have to touch, you at the bottom you can see there is a share button. You have to press on that button. There is a many icons appear, but you have to select save to files. As you can see on the screen, there is the option save to files. You have to press this option, and then your large file is going to save in iCloud Drive. This is video for iOS mobile. If you have an Android phone, you can also do the same setting. It's not different for iPhone and Android, these are same. So here you have, I already have saved once. Again I'm going to save to show you guys. So this is the method how you can save this video. So the next step is to send a large files to anyone you want, or you have a large file for business purpose, a study purpose, or any purpose. Here you come below, and here is the option send files. From here you have to select from downloads. After downloads, there all the files you have saved. Here I'm going to share the file. This is literally 18 MB, a larger file. This is impossible to send through WhatsApp messages. So by using this method, I'm going to share these files. As you can see, this file is shared. So this is a very easy and basic method by using which you can easily share. Hope so friends you like this video, and thank you so much for your love and support. Thanks for watching the video.